How to make money online by selling courses. The internet has opened up many ways for people to make money. One of these ways is by selling online courses. The market for online learning is growing fast. It's expected to be worth $375 billion by 2026, up from less than $200 billion in 2019. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will show you how to make money online by selling courses. Stick by the end of this video because we have a tried and tested method that can help you to create your own course and rake in those big bucks by selling it. Why online courses are a big deal. People are willing to pay for good, trustworthy courses. The market for selling courses is huge. There are many people who want to learn new skills to do better in their jobs and personal lives. For example, a Python course with nearly 1 million students costs $11.99. Even if only half of the students pay for the course, it would have made more than $5 million. The person who made the course would have earned about $2.5 million. This is just one example. There are many other examples of people making a lot of money from selling courses online. Why should you make an online course? Well, if you are really serious about making money online, then making an online course is a proven way that has helped a lot of people rake in those big bucks. Let me explain it. Tommy Mester left his full-time job and made a course that now earns him more than $10,000 per month. Nick Stephenson made $130,208 from his marketing course in the first week. John Omar made $1 million in a year from his course on how to make iOS apps. Selling courses online can make a lot of money. If you're wondering why people would buy your course, think about this. In 2020, student loan debt in the US was over $1.56 trillion. Over 45 million people owe an average of $32,731 in student loans. Because education is so expensive, students and workers are looking for cheaper options. Online education is a good alternative. At least 33% of college students take at least one online course. Why? Because it's cheaper and they learn more than they do from a traditional college course. And it's not just students. Companies are also using online courses to train their employees. Research shows that this helps companies make more money and makes their employees more productive. Making an online course. The first step in making a successful online course is to find a specific topic in your field. You need to find a problem that your target audience has. Then you can make a course that solves this problem. To find a problem in your area, you need to do research. Look at what your competitors are offering. Find the gaps and make a better course that gives more value to the students. You can also look at trending topics in your field. Do interviews and surveys with learners. Look at Google Trends and talk to experts in your subject. After you've decided on a topic, it's time to make your course. This involves making an outline, writing a script, gathering visuals and media, recording, editing, and more. But it is not as simple as it sounds. Making a course requires specific knowledge. There are many guidelines on the internet to help you understand the process in detail, but we have something very special that will definitely fast forward your course creation and selling process. It is called the iSmart course formula, and I can assure you this is the missing element in your course creation process. More on it in the later part of the video. Once your course is ready, the next step is to choose a platform to sell it. There are several platforms available, including iSpring Market, Udemy, and Thinkific. Each platform has its own set of features and benefits, and the choice depends on your specific needs and goals. Promoting your course. Simply creating a course and putting it on a platform is not enough. You need to promote your course rigorously. This can be done through various channels such as creating a blog, building an email list, and leveraging social media. Each of these channels has its own set of advantages and can help you reach your target audience effectively. Automating the process. Once you start generating sales, you might want to create more courses to grow your business. At this stage, it's essential to automate your course marketing and selling process so you can focus on creating new courses. And I don't mean to brag, but we have also covered this part in the iSmart course formula. You must agree that creating an online course isn't as simple as recording a few videos and uploading them on the internet. It requires careful planning, a deep understanding of your target market, an organized course outline, engaging and high-quality content, a strategic marketing plan, and effective course management. This is where iSmart course formula steps in. iSmart course formula is a comprehensive system that teaches you how to create a successful online course. Our formula is based on the latest research in e-learning and instructional design, ensuring that you're learning from the best. We take you through a step-by-step process that encompasses every detail of course creation and promotion. Our course is broken down into 10 detailed modules, each designed to take you one step closer to launching a successful online course. Module 1 is all about choosing your topic. Here, we guide you on how to choose a topic that not only aligns with your expertise, but also meets your target audience's needs. Choosing the right topic is the first step to creating a course that sells. Next, Module 2 focuses on identifying your target market, understanding who your ideal students are, their needs, preferences, and learning styles are essential in designing a course that speaks directly to them. In Module 3, we delve into setting up your systems. This includes choosing your hosting platform, setting up your email marketing system, and deciding on your payment gateway. This module ensures that the technical aspects of your course run smoothly. Module 4 is all about outlining your course. A well-structured course outline acts as a roadmap for your students, guiding them through the learning journey. Here, we teach you how to create a clear and concise outline that your students will appreciate. Next, in Module 5, we focus on recording your content. Whether it's creating engaging video content, designing visually appealing slides, or developing interactive exercises, this module equips you with all the skills necessary to make your course content engaging and effective. Module 6 covers planning your launch calendar. This involves creating a timeline for your course launch, including all the promotional activities leading up to the launch day. In Module 7, we discuss how to build an email list. An email list is an important marketing tool that can drive significant traffic to your course. This module teaches you how to build and nurture your list effectively. Module 8 is dedicated to marketing your course. We delve into how to create a compelling sales page, how to leverage social media for course promotion, and how to form strategic partnerships that can boost your course's visibility. In Module 9, we guide you on pricing your course effectively. Setting the right price can be a delicate balance. It needs to be profitable for you but still attractive to your target market. Finally, Module 10 covers course management. From addressing student queries to regularly updating your course content, this module ensures that your course remains relevant and beneficial for your students in the long run. If you have decided to take the first step towards creating an online course, believe me, your second step should be getting enrolled in the iSmart course formula. Visit iSmartCourseFormula.com for more details. You can find the link to enroll in the description of this video. With this said, we come to the end of this video, and like always, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more make money online tips and tricks. We will see you in the next one.